Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Tanushree and this video is all about my 2-day Christmas workshop that I conducted from my place. So before I start showing what all we did in the workshop, let's see how we actually planned about the workshop at the back end. So there are two activities that I planned for day 1 and rest activities are planned for day 2, which I'll show later. So the first activity was sewing activity and the second one was painting ornaments activity. Now, this morning, Sarvam was the only one to help me because my husband was out and was supposed to come back by evening. Sarvam was literally helping me a lot, for which I even rewarded him at the end of the workshop. So the first activity was sewing activity, and for that, you have to keep everything ready ahead of time because this is really a time-consuming activity, and it required threads to put in each and every felt sheet, which was like the Christmas tree felt sheet, snowman, gingerbread man, and socks. So to save time during the workshop, I usually plan everything ahead of time. In the workshop, I had 12 to 13 kids who had registered for this particular Christmas workshop. And this was the first time that I was taking more than 8 kids. So it was literally, I thought that, it will be a very lengthy task to finish because in 2 hours, I have to finish the entire activity for all of the kids. Check the description box for details about this particular activity.
एंड पिक वन बिना देखे एक हाँ ले लो ये सॉक्स है क्लैप एवरीवन ओके फॉर देन नेक्स्ट इज पहल पिक ये क्रिसमस ट्री ये प्रणल पिक gingerbread man.
So this was one of the fun way to introduce first activity of the workshop because so that they become little excited, smile comes to their face and they cheer up and basically they start in a very good mood. I first bought this activity for my child Sarvam and we love the activity so much that I decided to include it in my workshop also. And this is really a skill development activity which every kid will really enjoy, I thought, so that's why I included. So everyone got their piece and then we started with our first activity.
Snowman! Beautiful. Everyone is happy? Clap.
So over here, I'm explaining all the kids that you have to do this activity with focus and attention and giving all the instructions that how to do this particular activity, the process, how to follow it. Giving instructions at the start makes the work much easier because if they do mistakes later, it becomes difficult to rectify. And then I finally told them to start the activity. So Sarva was not doing any activity and he agreed to help me during the entire workshop because ये सारी activities हम already कर चुके थे and हमने बहुत ही properly time लेकर अच्छे से करी थी. So he was not telling me that I have to do it again. So yeah, he was acting as a helper and he literally helped me a lot. जहाँ जहाँ जो जो बच्चों को problem थी वो बैठ के solve कर रहा था. So by the start of the workshop, even my husband came back and he was helping wherever I needed help. One other child joined late in the workshop and yeah, each and every child was doing activity with lot of attention and focus, and I told them that go slow, do the activity slowly, there is no rush because once it is correct it will be fine. If it is wrong then we have to correct and it will take a lot of time to correct it. So कुछ बच्चों ने फिर भी messed up कर दिया था और वो solve करने में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा time लग गया. But yeah, I told them, ruko, I will come to each and every one and I will help you, don't worry about that. So I had kids from the age 4 years till 10 years in the workshop, and some of the kids were previously known, they have attended the workshop previously with me and they know my way of working. And जो नए थे वो easily gel up हो गए. So yeah, I was so happy that everyone was doing in calm and peaceful manner. So some of the kids took more time to finish this activity and hence they were not able to complete the entire activity with decoration on the first day. So I told them, we'll continue on the second day. You can keep it aside and you can come little bit 10 minutes earlier and then we can do the finish the activity. So yeah, but those who finished the activity, they completed the entire thing, the decoration, everything. Just look at the smile at their faces. They were happy to see the beautiful piece that they have created, and I was happy too looking at them. So yeah, soon it was time to take break. I told parents to send snack in their tiffin for day 1, and they all were munching while I was starting to prepare for the next activity. Those who completed their snack, I told them to start with the second activity. For second activity, I chose painting ornaments, which was again time consuming because it was small things that they have to paint. But there is a lot of skill development that was happening, the fine motor development. They were having so much of focus and concentration in, coloring properly, not coloring outside, inside the lines, and all those things. Look at their dedication, focus, and this was a time to show their art side also, because painting is one of the activity that is loved by all. And this is the reason I wanted to include one of the painting activity at least in my workshop. So I gave everyone three hangings to paint on the first day, but at the end of the second day, when they went home with all their pieces, I even gifted them two extra hangings. So total five hangings I gave to them, because five karna possible nahi tha due to lack of time. So then it was time to have some fun and enjoy a little bit before they head home. Parents started coming one by one, but I wanted them to enjoy a little bit before they go.
Hey!
Then we clicked some pictures and kids went off. So next morning, I started with all the activity preparation for day two of the workshop, and I decided all the fun activities for this particular day. So the first activity that I decided was this paper cup activity, where I had taken all the prints of Santa, all the paper plates I have made with paper, all the shredded paper cuttings I have done with the scissor, and the paper cups. So this was a particular activity where you will put straw and you will blow it, a फूक मारोगे, and all the paper will move from here to there, and it will look like a snowfall हो रहा है. So yeah, so now my kids started coming on the day 2, and जिनकी एक्टिविटी अधूरी रह गई थी वो अपनी एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट कर रहे थे, so that they can move on to the day 2 activities. So जब तक सब बच्चे आ नहीं जाते, मैंने उनको बोला आप फटाफट से अपना एक्टिविटी फिनिश कर दो, and everyone was doing it very fast, so that we finished all the decoration of this particular activity. But yeah, actually this activity was time consuming, ये मुझे बाद में realize हुआ, but the result was so good कि अच्छा ही लगा करके. So yeah, look at the smile, look at their self achievement wala smile that they have made, they have curated something.
Hi!
Then all my kids came, and then we were going to start with our first activity of day 2. So everyone sat surrounding me and were listening to all the instructions that I was giving them, how to do this activity, how to go about it, and what are procedures you have to follow. Step by step, you will do it with me, so that there is nothing wrong that happens. So over here, glue was also involved. So I was putting glue for each and every one on the paper cup. So yeah, everyone was keen towards starting this activity, and they were putting small paper, shredded paper inside the paper cup. And yeah, this is how the activity went ahead. थोड़े बच्चे मस्ती भी कर रहे थे बीच-बीच में, थोड़ा शाउटिंग भी करना पड़ रहा था उनके पीछे, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द वर्कशॉप. This activity had several steps, so I told them each and every step to follow, and they were following my instruction and were doing properly. But this was a blowing activity. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, अगर वो blow करेंगे straw से, तो small papers ऐसे ऐसे fly करेंगे. Maybe I'll share someday on my Instagram so you can see this video. But I was not able to take the final outcome of this particular activity, so my bad about that I'm not be able to show. But yeah, the rest of the workshop which was remaining after this was filled with so much fun, so keep watching.
Are you excited?
So the next activity which I planned was a slime
Are you
activity, and everyone was
excited?
so excited, which gave me a proof that okay, I've selected the correct activity for the workshop. Now, slime making is something that me and Sarvam has already done previously, and I was pretty sure that kids will enjoy in this. So over here, I'm telling them that we have limited color glues. So don't fight for the particular color. Whichever color I give you, you have to take that color only. We have one, we have two red, we have two yellow, we have two blue. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है मैं किसी को mix करके दूँ, which I have mixed later, which you can see. And yeah, then I started giving each and everyone glue. So इसमें क्या होता है? Glue होता है, activator होता है, and then we have decorative materials involved. So you will see the result. It was so good, so pretty. Every child loved the activity, and I was, so satisfied with this particular activity. So then I started giving glue to each one of them and told them to, patiently wait until unless I give them the activator. And activator देने के बाद ही वो उसको mix करना start करेंगे. So everyone were waiting and they were, listening to me properly, not doing masti, following all my instructions. So यही होता है, how the way you communicate in the workshop, how clearly you give them instruction, the better the instruction, the more there is more possibility that kids will follow you. So see, at the start the slime is of course messy, and then later as you keep on mixing it, keep on mixing the activator, it becomes smooth, and the ultimate slime is created. So I told them keep mixing, and finally people started, getting their slime one by one, one by one. Look at them, they are so happy with whatever they are doing. And I asked each one of them that who has done this activity before. So only one or two raised their hands. बाकी सबके लिए ये नया एक्टिविटी था. This was something new that they are trying their hands on. So yeah, and then I gave them the glitter, the decorative stars, snowflakes, little colorful things that I gave them to add in the slime and mix it. And look at this, it's looking so pretty.
Yes, yes. You mix, mix, mix.
So I wanted them to enjoy completely with the slime that they have created, and I gave them enough time to enjoy. Soon it was time to take a break, and for day two of the workshop, I planned snacks for them and gave from my side. My mother in law and my husband were helping me to arrange everything and give it to kids. And then, after the snack time, we started with another activity, which is making snow. So, kids were making snow by themselves for the first time. So, this was the recipe, the video I've already shared on my Instagram, the detailed video you can check. So this was baking soda that I have kept in their plate, and then I am giving them shaving foam. This is again one of the activity which gets messy at the start, but the end result is quite amazing. So I was not able to shoot till end because this was little longer procedure, because इतने सारे बच्चे involved थे and सबको मेरी help की ज़रूरत थी, तो मैं video तो नहीं ले पाई. But yeah, you can see the end result on my Instagram if you want to make a snow on your own anytime later. So I told them to start mixing, mix. I told them to mix as much as they can mix. So yeah, कुछ बच्चों को थोड़ा messy लग रहा था, बोल रहे थे हाथ spoil हो रहा है, ये spoil हो रहा है, वो spoil हो रहा है. But I told them this activity is like that only. You have to do it. So you do it. I will make you wash hands later. So yeah. So now I plan something special for kids.
4, 3, 2, and wait, पीछे देखो, पीछे देखो, पीछे देखो. 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Kids love the Santa time. I give enough time to dance, play, and just have fun. They danced with Santa, and then we all clicked some pictures. Now, this takes us to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as we actually enjoyed in the workshop. And special thanks to my Secret Santa. Until we meet again, happy parenting, guys. In case you wish to be informed about my upcoming workshops, keep a check on my WhatsApp status. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.